You can see this channel is able to get lots of views every single day by just posting these animal shorts. This channel is able to make around $78,000 every single month without showing face. Let's begin. Go to any search engine and look for fleeky.ai. And then visit the website. Then click on Start for free. Now you can create an account with any of the following ways. After you create the account, you will redirect to this page. Now click on New File and enter file name related to your category. For example, I will write powerful quotes. Make sure the blue mark is on video and then click on Create. You will be redirected to this page. Here you can choose different voices depending on your demand. Fleeky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute. For example, I chose Jacob as I like it. Now click on Apply this voice to all the voiceovers and then click Select. Now go to Convert and click on Idea to Video. Now you can write short description about the video you want to be created. For example, I will write powerful motivational quotes. Now you can select other features that meet your requirement. And then click on Submit. Now the magic is going to happen, just keep patience. Voila, congratulations, your video has been created within 2 minutes.
Motivational quotes. Unleash your potential. Remember, the only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Stand tall.
That's perfect. Now click on Export to download the video. It can take some time depending on your PC performance, so keep patience. It's almost done. Now finally click on Download to download the video. Wow, that's great. Now you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and start making money.